Why 90% of your carbon footprint is invisible. The Scope 3 crisis. Your company's sustainability report is lying to you, not intentionally but by omission. While you're measuring the 10% of emissions you can see, 90% of your actual carbon footprint is completely invisible. It's called Scope 3, and new regulations are about to make it your biggest business risk. The hidden iceberg. Scope 1 and 2 emissions, your direct operations and purchased energy, that's the tip of the iceberg. Scope 3 is everything else. Your suppliers, your product's entire life cycle, your employees' commutes, your customers' usage. For most companies, it's 70 to 90% of their total carbon footprint. A tech company's laptop creates more emissions in manufacturing than 5 years of electricity use. A clothing brand's cotton farming dwarfs their retail operations. A food company's agriculture and packaging eclipse their processing facilities. The measurement nightmare. Why has Scope 3 been unmeasured? Because it's a nightmare. Thousands of suppliers across dozens of countries, different measurement standards, missing data, suppliers who don't track their own emissions, let alone report them to you. Most companies resort to industry averages and educated guesses. We think our supply chain emits roughly this much. That's not measurement, that's wishful thinking. And regulators are done accepting it. The regulatory tsunami. The regulatory tsunami is here. EU's Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, SEC Climate Disclosure Rules, California's SB 253, all demanding detailed Scope 3 measurement and reduction plans. No more estimates. No more, we're working on it. Companies face mandatory third-party audits, public disclosure requirements, and financial penalties for non-compliance. The era of voluntary sustainability reporting just ended. The scalability crisis. Traditional approaches don't scale. Sending surveys to thousands of suppliers gets 20% response rates. Hiring consultants to estimate emissions costs millions and takes years. By the time you have data, it's outdated, and your supply chain has changed. Product-level tracking is the only scalable solution. Instead of surveying suppliers, track emissions at the product level. Every component, every process, every transportation mile, measured, verified, and updated in real time. The competitive advantage. Here's the opportunity. While competitors struggle with compliance, companies with accurate Scope 3 data gain massive advantages. Better supplier negotiations, optimized logistics, reduced regulatory risk, and customer trust through transparency. The bottom line. Scope 3 isn't just a compliance requirement, it's the future of supply chain management. Companies that master product-level carbon tracking will dominate their industries. Those that don't will face regulatory penalties, customer backlash, and competitive disadvantage. At BioEconomy Solutions, we help companies transform their Scope 3 liability into competitive advantage through product-level carbon tracking and supply chain optimization. Ready to make your invisible emissions visible and manageable? Book a private consultation call at bioeconomysolutions.com.